The Toyota Yaris constantly embraces the principle of continuous improvement, known as Kaizen, evident in the innovations and upgrades incorporated into the latest generation. Launched in 2020, this hybrid electric hatchback has achieved significant success and is now set to further elevate its performance. Building upon the previous accomplishments of the Toyota Yaris, the new range aims to enhance its appeal in crucial aspects, incorporating advanced technologies to solidify its position in the competitive B segment in Europe. Critical updates include a more potent hybrid electric powertrain, improved safety features, and a redesigned driver's instrumentation and multimedia system, leveraging the capabilities of digital technology. These enhancements are introduced while preserving the enduring qualities that have made the Yaris a consistently popular choice, a vehicle renowned for lasting quality, ease of use, enjoyable driving experience, and exceptional efficiency. Manufactured in Europe specifically for European customers, the new Yaris underscores the model's award-winning reputation for innovation and excellence in small car design and engineering. Amplified performance with the new Hybrid 130. The latest Toyota Yaris introduces the option of a new and more powerful full hybrid electric powertrain, named the Hybrid 130. This joins the existing Hybrid 115 powertrain in the lineup, utilizing fifth-generation Toyota hybrid technology to deliver sharper acceleration while maintaining the car's inherent agility. The Hybrid 130 features a 1.5-liter full hybrid electric system with notable improvements. These include a new hybrid transaxle with a more powerful electric motor generator, resulting in a 12% increase in total system output. The maximum torque from the electric motor is enhanced by 30%, leading to faster acceleration and improved performance at overtaking speeds. Despite the power increase, the Yaris retains its best-in-class CO2 emissions and robust fuel consumption figures. The fuel economy is further optimized with features like predictive state-of-charge control, enhancing efficiency based on route, traffic, and gradient conditions. This advanced hybrid system is standard in the new Yaris Premier Edition and GR Sport models, and available in the high grade in select European markets. Enhanced digital user experience. Toyota aims to transform the user experience in the new Yaris by incorporating cutting-edge digital technology. The driver information, onboard entertainment, and connectivity features have been revamped for a more intuitive and seamless operation. The Yaris offers a choice between a 7 or 12.3-inch digital driver's instrument display, both featuring clear full-color graphics. The larger version, available in higher grades, allows extensive customization, with multiple display patterns and themes providing a tailored experience for different preferences and driving scenarios. The introduction of the latest Toyota Smart Connect multimedia package enhances the Yaris digital experience, offering access to a cloud-based navigation system, responsive touchscreens, and improved voice recognition with the Hey Toyota voice agent. The system supports wireless integration for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring a hassle-free smartphone connection. To further simplify the user experience, Toyota enables over-the-air software updates for multimedia functions and advanced safety features, eliminating the need for physical visits to a service center. Smart Digital Key and Toyota Teammate features. The Yaris's digital makeover includes the Smart Digital Key feature, available as standard in the Premier Edition and optional for GR Sport and mid-grade models. This feature, linked to Toyota's MyT app, allows up to 5 users to access the vehicle using their smartphones, providing convenience for locking, unlocking, and starting the car without physically handling the key. The MyT app also offers useful functions such as remote vehicle locking and unlocking, climate control operation, and hazard light activation. The Smart Digital Key is compatible with both Apple and Android devices, and 1 year's connection is included with the car's purchase. Toyota T-Mate, encompassing advanced features that enhance safety and driving ease, is a prominent feature in the new Yaris. Equipped with the latest Toyota Safety Sense driver assistance systems, the Yaris incorporates a new camera and radar that expand the scope for accident risk detection. New safety features include acceleration suppression, proactive driving assist, and emergency driving stop system. Additionally, safe exit assist, rear seat reminder system, and upgrades to established Toyota Safety Sense features contribute to an all-encompassing safety package. Premier Edition leads the way. The Yaris lineup introduces the Premier Edition, a top-of-the-range model exclusively powered by the new hybrid 130 powertrain. Featuring a distinctive bitone paint finish, exclusive Neptune blue color, and contrasting gloss black roof, the Premier Edition stands out with a bold design. The interior of the Premier Edition complements the exterior with blue highlights in seat upholstery stitching and deco lines, creating a cohesive and stylish atmosphere. Customers can choose from platinum pearl, silver metallic, or the new juniper blue for other model grades. The refreshed lineup also includes a sportier option with the GR Sport grade, boasting exclusive features like 18-inch machined alloys, red deco lines, front sports seats, sports pedals, perforated leather steering wheel trim, and unique exterior design elements. Exterior design and spacious interior. The Toyota Yaris retains its distinctive dynamic design, setting it apart in its segment. The car's sporty profile, agile lines, and robust stance reflect its responsive chassis and agile handling. Despite compact dimensions in height and length, the Yaris boasts a spacious cabin, attributed to its comparatively long wheelbase and wide front and tracks. The interior design prioritizes sensory appeal, featuring harmonious lines, a padded dashboard, and soft-to-the-touch elements for an overall premium feel. The layout includes a low-set hood for the driver's instrument binnacle, a wide center console, and a sporty, small-diameter steering wheel. A history of success. With a history of over 10 million units sold worldwide by 2023, the Toyota Yaris stands as one of the most successful models in the brand's lineup, achieving Car of the Year titles in both Europe and Japan in its first generation. The Yaris has consistently set benchmarks for performance and technology. The fourth-generation Yaris, praised for its hybrid technology, design, dynamic performance, and class-leading safety. The Yaris has also been a key player in Toyota's successful return to the World Rally Championship, securing multiple championships. Expanding its family, Toyota introduced the Yaris Cross in 2021, a crossover model that earned the prestigious title of the 2022 World Urban Car.